Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pretzels out of canned biscuits. The ingredients that we're going to need today are baking soda. I have the chunkier sea salt, also 1 egg for egg wash, and also a can of biscuits. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of your baking soda, and here you want to have chunkier sea salt. And also to my egg, I added a tablespoon of water, and all you're going to do is mix that together for the egg wash. Now we're going to open our biscuits. Once you open your biscuits, you're going to take one at a time. We're going to fold it over and we're going to roll it with our hand until it forms a log. It should look like that. You want to roll it and stretch it as much as you can. Now I'm going to take a second biscuit and I'm going to do the same with that one. Once you're done rolling out the second one, we're going to go ahead and pinch these together, and we're going to roll them together, and you want to stretch out the dough as much as you can. Now guys, you want to form a horseshoe with your dough. Then we're just going to cross it over, just like that. And you want to stretch this out some. Then we're going to cross it over again. Now you're going to take this part and we're going to fold it over. And here's your pretzel. You just want to press down right here, and you're done. Okay guys, this has made 4 pretzels. Next, you want to have a pot of boiling water, and we're going to add in our baking soda. Now you want to lower it just a little bit until it comes to a medium simmer. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and add our pretzels in. You only want them in there for about 20 seconds. Now you want to remove it. You're going to drain as much water as you can, and you're going to place it onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Okay guys, as you can see, they kind of lost some of their shape, or you can't tell what they are, but you get the picture. One of mine came totally apart, and that's okay. We're going to set our oven to 375 degrees. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take my egg wash. I'm going to brush the top of all the pretzels. Once you put the egg wash on your pretzels, you just want to go ahead and take some of the sea salt, and we're just going to put some over top. I'm not going to put too much. Now we're going to place them into our oven for 20 minutes until they're golden brown. Okay guys, I just want to show you how pretty these came out. You can see the salt on top of them, and they're nice and golden. They will not disappoint. You guys can also put some cheese sauce on the side, some mustard with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.